Welcome back to Job Creations. Latest job update, work from home opportunity and Amazon is hiring for work from home for two different job roles. Basic qualification, bachelor's in any discipline with 0 to 10 years of experience. So details loki ellaboye mundu I request you to please subscribe to my channel and please like and share my videos. First process వచ్చి selling partner support associate SPN IN process. Job description వచ్చి selling partner support associate acts as a primary interface between Amazon and our third party sellers, providing phone and email support governed by internal service level agreements. The SPS associate will be responsible for providing timely and accurate operational support to third party sellers on the Amazon platform. The successful candidate has an immediate distinct effect on the experience of customers of Amazon, making a strong record of customer focus and high standard of for the role. Roles and responsibilities include seller support associate demonstrate end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Demonstrates effective, clear and professional written and oral communication, provides prompt and efficient service to Amazon sellers and merchants, including the appropriate escalation of seller issues. Maintains acceptable performance metrics such as quality, productivity, first contact resolution and attendance, and actively seeks solutions through logical reasoning and data interpretation skills. Basic qualifications, bachelor's degree in any discipline with 0 to 10 years of experience. Freshers are eligible, and the candidate should possess good written and verbal communication in English. Along with English, this particular role demands communicating in Hindi and Telugu both. This job involves working in 24/7 environment including night shifts, and the shifts are decided based on business requirement. It's a 5 days a week job. You will be given training for first 4 months, and your home environment should be free from background noise where you can connect to the internet and work on your deliverables. Ability to use desktop or laptop and familiarity with internet browsers like Windows OS, Microsoft Outlook and MS Office. You should have a good internet connection with minimum speed of 20 Mbps or better, and should have at least 100 GB data from a reliable provider, and you should have access to mobile phone at all times from a reliable provider, and should have power backup in case of power shutdown, and candidates who are based in Hyderabad should apply for this position. Our next job role is selling partners support associate SPS NA. The roles and responsibilities are same as the first job role. So interested candidates can apply through the link given in the description box. Stay tuned for more such job updates.